Lorna, I just wanted to say that these past 3 years have just been
So very long.
I was gonna say amazing.
Right, me too.
But yeah. I got you something. Concert tickets.
Oh.
You know, I know you're probably gonna want to take your friends, but if all of them cancel, I would really like to, or even if one of them cancels, I would love to be maybe just in the running.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, babe. I really appreciate that. It's really sweet.
And I know money's been kind of tight this year,
Yeah,
so,
it's really tight.
so it would be completely fine if you didn't get me anything like last year or the year before.
Yeah. Well, actually, because it's our 3 year, I did get you something.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Okay.
I wanted to surprise you with our new partner.
Our new what?
Partner. Well, baby, you know that I haven't really been satisfied with, you know.
Oh my god. Okay. Who was it? Our relationship or?
Well, no, not really. It was mostly you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Who'd you have in mind?
Well, they are tall and charming and just have a way with words.
Great. What's her name? It is her, right?
Oh, no. Well, he is actually here.
What the fuck is that?
Nick, don't be rude.
I'm sorry, but how did this all happen?
Well, do you want to tell? No, okay, I'll tell. Okay, I will tell. Okay. So we met at the vet clinic. He came in with a severe case of the bird flu. Well, we don't have to tell him that part yet. Yeah, I know. And we really hit it off in more ways than one.
I will kill him, by the way.
This thing is riddled with diseases.
You
Lorna.
can say that again.
Oh God.
Up top. Okay.
No, up top. How could you think this was even okay, sir? There's a bird in here. Can you kick it out or call animal control, or oh my God. Okay. Or do something about this bird.
Hey, pal. I don't know where you think you are right now, but we don't accept that type of goddamn intolerance!
Intolerance?
You are being a little.
No. I have chlamydia now. Okay?
It's not that.
No, and then my girlfriend is fucking our nation's symbol.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah? Well, welcome to the club!
I'm sorry. What?
God, am I part of the club now?
Dinner is served. For the missus, we have a seasonal mixed green salad with a balsamic glaze.
Yum.
And for the gentlemen, we have a basted Cornish hen stuffed to the brim with pate. Or in other words, a bird's mixed organs.
Nick, I'm sorry. First, what the fuck? That is so rude to eat in front of him. Can you apologize to him right now, please?
You know what? I am sorry, all right? But the thing is I didn't know you were gonna be here, okay? During my 3-year anniversary with my girlfriend, who you're fucking. Oh, isn't that nice? No. Oh my God. Are we gonna start eating? Oh my God.
That's delicious.
Oh my God, that's disgusting. Oh, that's the worst thing I've ever seen. Oh my God. Oh, holy shit. Oh. This is the worst day of my life.
Do you want some? It's
No,
really
you know
good.
what? I
The
think
flavors.
I need a minute. I think I have to move to Canada or Australia or some country without
there are
eagles
more
or something.
than
No,
maybe.
I'm
Okay,
out.
All right. All right. I'm so sorry about him. Do you think that you could talk to him? Maybe you could talk to him a little bit.
I'll talk to them.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm not in the mood right now. Can you get lost? Oh my God, are you insane? I'm sure you're a decent bird and everything, but that's my girlfriend out there. I guess I just want to know, like, what do you possess that I don't? Okay. Oh my God! Oh God bless America! Oh, it's touching my leg. That's disgusting. Oh my God!